How would you like to make up to $50,000 in affiliate commissions? Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over the top high-ticket affiliate programs that you can start promoting today. Now, this is going to be completely different than like a ClickBank product, a JVZoo product. These are private high-ticket programs that you can start promoting. And I'm not going to mention software like ClickFunnels or GetResponse because I already made a video on the top 8 monthly reoccurring programs. This video is specifically for high ticket programs that you can start promoting. Now, this video is a continuation of my free affiliate marketing series. So if you haven't seen my previous videos on how to start your affiliate marketing business so I can help you make your first $10,000, make sure you check out those other videos. All right, so high ticket program number 1 is called Goldco. Now they specialize in alternative investments such as gold and silver. So the way this company works is they help people with their retirement. So it says here, are you interested in helping people protect their retirement accounts from things like the stock market and crashes? So basically, they're gonna help people with inflation because people are investing their money in strong assets like gold and silver. Now the cool thing about Goldco is they actually pay you for driving traffic and the leads. So even if you don't close a sale, they're gonna give you money just for sending them leads. Now, one of the best parts about Goldco is they pay ultra high ticket commissions. I'm talking about $25,000, $50,000, even $100,000 in commissions. So they pay you based on how much people invest. So for example, if someone invests, $5-10 million, then you're gonna get a percentage of that investment. Now, Goldco pays $100 per lead that you send them. So even if you send them a lead and they don't go ahead and invest, you're still gonna get $100. Now, the cool thing is when they do invest, you get a percentage, typically about 3 to 6% of that person's investments. But remember, these people are investing lots and lots of money into these retirement funds. Now, the number 2 high ticket affiliate program is the Bitcoin IRA affiliate program. Now, this is going to be similar to Goldco, where people are investing into these high ticket IRA programs. But instead of investing in gold and silver, the Bitcoin IRA program, people are investing in Bitcoin. So as you can see, this is the Bitcoin IRA program. So this is going to be very similar to Goldco. So again, if someone is investing, let's just say $100,000 into this IRA, well, you're going to get a certain percentage of this $100,000. Now, again, these commissions are going to be a lot lower, 5 to 10%. But you need to understand these are ultra high ticket investments because people are trying to save for retirement. Now, the cool thing about this program is when people put, let's just say $100,000 in, they actually get money every single month. So this is going to be similar to like investing in bonds, but with bonds, you get like 0.04%, whereas a Bitcoin IRA, you could get, 5, 10, even up to 20%, depending on which one you choose. So that's why people are flocking to something like Bitcoin IRA because there's way higher interest being paid on a Bitcoin IRA rather than like a CD or a Goldco. Now, the way I would promote something like Bitcoin IRA or even a Goldco is by running Google ads. Because like Goldco, Bitcoin IRA does pay you to send leads as well. So not only do they pay you for the commission, but they pay you just for sending them leads. So me personally, I would be running ads on Google targeting keywords like how should I invest my money, the best place to invest my money when I retire. I would target those keywords and send people from a Google ad. And then from those Google ads, I would send them to a blog where I talk about finance and how to invest their money, what should I do after retirement, and get people to buy from the blog. Now, of course, if you didn't want to run paid ads, you could simply start a YouTube channel, a blog, talking about how to invest, talking about how you should invest, or even talking about what should I do after I retire, because people are going to be searching on Google or YouTube on how they should spend their money. And believe it or not, there's tons of people that have tons of cash in the bank and they have no idea what to do with it. So that's why if you can show them that Bitcoin IRA or even Goldco is a great option, you can make a ton of money because you're giving them the information on what to do. All right, so high ticket program number 3 is the Amazing Selling Machine. This program actually teaches people how to start an Amazon FBA business. So this is the affiliate page right here. It's just amazing.com/affiliates, and they actually pay up to $2,500 per sale. And as you can see, they've been working with some of the top CEOs and business people on the planet. You got people like Dave Asprey, you got Robert Kiyosaki, Damon John. Now this program has been around for a while, and it's been one of the highest paying affiliate programs that I've ever seen. Now people are always looking for a way to make money or leave their 9-to-5 job. So this is just one way to do that, and that's with Amazon FBA. Basically, it's teaching fulfillment by Amazon, where you go to China, buy a bunch of items, ship that straight to an Amazon warehouse, and then sell that for a huge commission. Now, obviously, this is something that I personally don't teach. I teach affiliate marketing. This is how I teach people leave their 9-to-5 job. But this is a great option if you're looking for another high ticket program that you can promote to your list or to your audience. All right, high ticket program number 4 is a Legendary Marketer. Now, this is one of the main programs that I promoted when I first started my online business, and it's still one of the best programs when it comes to teaching people how to start a digital marketing business. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is it's free to join, and they pay you 30 to 60% commissions on their programs. Now, depending on, a high ticket program or a monthly reoccurring program, that's why it goes from 30 to 60%. But typically you're gonna make about 30% on a super high ticket program that costs anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000, but you're gonna get 30% of that, whereas you're gonna get 60% of a monthly reoccurring program. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is they give you the done for you sales funnels. They have a sales team, which is huge, because what happens is you can send Legendary Marketer a lead, and then their sales team is going to go and try to close them to go buy a high ticket product on your behalf. So essentially you're sending leads to Legendary Marketer, and they're doing all the selling and telling for you, but you still get the commission. Now, the cool thing is you can manage and track your customers. You can see where people are at in the process, if they took the 15-day challenge, which is the low ticket product in Legendary Marketer, or if they just bought a monthly reoccurring product. You can see exactly what's going on. They have an amazing back-end system. Now, the cool thing is you could even see how you're ranking in the leaderboards compared to other people, which is super cool because you can just see, hey, where am I at and how can I do better? Now, one of my favorite things about Legendary Marketer is when you log in, you could actually go to the streams of income. And what this means is you can actually paste your affiliate links within the Legendary Marketer system, and they're gonna be promoting it through their system, through their emails, and when they have certain videos. So for example, if they're promoting ClickFunnels and you put your affiliate link here, they're gonna actually promote it for you. So you're gonna get both the commissions for Legendary Marketer, but also in ClickFunnels as well. And then of course, you can see they have Aweber as well. So you can go and get your Aweber link and paste that inside of here. And when people buy through the Legendary Marketer system and they go and buy Aweber or ClickFunnels, you're gonna get the commissions as well. So that's just an added bonus within the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. Now, I've personally made 6 figures in sales with Legendary Marketer, and with this, I would use my free content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to send leads to Legendary Marketer, where they then close them and they did all the selling and telling for me. All right, so the number 5 high ticket affiliate program to promote is Freedom Accelerator. Now, this is a program that I actually created, and as you can see, we actually pay 50% commissions with Freedom Accelerator. Now, the cool thing about Freedom Accelerator is we leverage a webinar to promote our high ticket product. So the webinar is called How to Leverage 5-Second Silent Videos to Build a Business from Scratch. So what happens is you send your leads to our automated webinar, and then we're gonna do all the selling and telling for you so we can close a high ticket sale. Now, with the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program, I've actually spent over $115,000 creating the webinar, creating the system, and making sure that this converts. That way you can make as much money as humanly possible. And these are just some of the numbers that we had when we first launched the program. As you can see, $12.33 per click that you send, 16 15.2% conversions, and an average cart value of over $1,000. Not only do we allow you to use the webinar, we actually give you a ton of email swipes that you can use to send to your email list. And another thing is we give you graphic swipes as well. That way you can use on Facebook or Instagram posts or even on banner ads. And then of course, we also give you all our video ads. That way you can run YouTube ads, Facebook ads as your own. And one of the coolest things about the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program is when you send a lead to our system, we can track if they watched the webinar, if they watched the webinar for half of it and then they jumped off, or if they watched the full thing, they saw the order page and they didn't buy. Well, our system can then track it, and based on that, we're gonna send them a series of emails to try to close the leads for you. And with the Freedom Accelerator program, we actually give you a 360-day cookie, meaning when you send someone to our system and they buy within the next 360 days, you're still gonna get the sale no matter what. Now, I'll leave a link to the Freedom Accelerator affiliate program down below if you're interested in promoting this. Now, I hope this video was helpful in finding the top high-ticket affiliate programs that you can promote. Now, high-ticket affiliate marketing is the main thing that helped me quit my 9-to-5 job, because higher ticket commissions are actually easier than low ticket commissions, believe it or not. Because if you're sending 100 people to a low ticket or 100 people to a high ticket, it's actually easier to get high ticket commissions. Of course, if it's a good product that's actually helping people. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.